Flagstaff, Arizona, sets all-time record 35.9 inches of snow as major snowstorms bury southwestern U.S. A storm unloaded feet of snow, brought blizzard conditions and shut down travel over the mountains of Arizona, New Mexico and southwestern Colorado. The storm began on Wednesday when it spread disruptive snow over the northern Sierra Nevada, including Donner Summit, California, before shifting over the interior southwestern United States. During Wednesday evening, parts of the valley around Las Vegas picked up over 4 inches of snow. Travel became slick and treacherous in the surrounding area as a result. Schools in Las Vegas were closed on Friday due to the recent snow and freezing conditions. Snow was seen falling near the mountains surrounding Los Angeles on Thursday afternoon, including in Pasadena and West Hollywood. The snow did not accumulate, but people went outside to see the unusual snow fall from the sky. On Thursday, Interstate 5 at the Grapevine in Southern California was closed as snow created difficult travel. While snow has ended in California and around Las Vegas, it will continue to pound Arizona, New Mexico and Colorado into Friday night. Flagstaff, Arizona sets all-time snow record. Arizona's mountain city of Flagstaff was buried in feet of snow from late Wednesday through Friday, seeing nearly half of their yearly snowfall in just a few days' time. As of 5 p.m. MST Friday, the city's airport had measured 40.3 inches of snow from the storm. The average annual snowfall in Flagstaff is about 102 inches. Last winter, Flagstaff only measured 42 inches of snow. This snowstorm came right on the heels of a winter storm that left behind 16.6 inches of snow in the city between the 16th of February and the 18th of February. Thursday set the all-time daily record for snowfall in Flagstaff, Arizona, with 35.9 inches of snow. The previous record was 31 inches set over a century ago on the 30th of December, 1915. This also shattered February's all-time daily snowfall record of 24 inches set on the 2nd of February, 1901. The biggest single storm on record in Flagstaff brought 64 inches of snow and concluded on the 17th of January, 1985. More recently, a storm that concluded on the 23rd of January, 2010, brought 36.4 inches of snow. During the period from the 18th to the 23rd of December 2010, 56.2 inches of snow fell with 56.4 inches during the entire month of December. The snowiest month on record was January 1895, when 126 inches of snow fell on Flagstaff. So far, about 68 inches of snow has fallen during February 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.